Hey guys, this is Baltej from Air Factor. So I'm here on the roof today. Went down in Thursday night. To me today, I came with the part. This unit is up and running in 15 minutes. So I'll let you know when I go through that replacement, the parts, what we change it, what we not. But so if you required any service regarding commercial units, you have a rooftop, you're running a business, there's no heat, just give us a call. My number is 647-283-1872. 24/7 heating services, sir. Thank you. Ciao. Lennox unit right here. So we're changing the flame sensor and we are changing the igniter. The previous igniter was, the other rod is broken, fall down inside right there. So we're gonna change this igniter. The part number is 21L98 and I believe the sensor is 2199. So we're gonna change those parts and we'll get back to you guys. So we change the new sensor here. You see the new sensor and new igniter. So we're gonna turn the unit on and it's going to be up and running. So our heat is on, system is working. Okay guys, see the exhaust is coming here. If you required any service regarding your commercial rooftop unit, we do emergency calls also. Please give me a call. My number is 647-283-1872. Thank you guys. You have a good evening.